enjoy playing with you. I placed the first doublet. It's my turn now. How about this move? You're such a good player. Eureka! You play so well. It's my turn now. How about this move? Oh, you're so good. It's my turn now. Oh, boy! That's a good move. Mario has to draw a bone. How about this move? Here's your bone. Oh, you're so good. Oh, boy! You're such a good player. Oh, brother! Eureka! Here's your bone. Let's see. It's my turn now. How about this move? That's a great move. It's my turn now. Okie dokie, your move. Oh, brother! Eureka! It's your turn. Hey, you won! You play so well! Hey, how about another game with me?